This is one of the simplest ICT strategies that works almost every single time. There's two time frames that are involved, the 1 hour and the 5 minute. All you're doing is you're looking for a 1 hour fair value gap and then you are marking it out. So for example, I have this fair value gap marked out right here. Once I have that, I can drop down to a 5 minute. On the 5 minute, you want to look for a change in state delivery, which is when we close above the first down close candle in a series of down closes, which would be this candle right here. So this would become our change in state of delivery once we close above. If you take a position right on the retest or the close, if it's really strong, you would place a stop loss at a swing low, and then you're going to target your buy side liquidity levels. In this case, we have a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and target start of this fair value gap as just a random example. And that's it. Now we wait for this trade to do its thing. And you can see within a few minutes, this take profit is taken out for a 5 hour. Here's another example on the 1 hour. We identify this RDRB, and once we have that, we're going to drop down to the 5 minute time frame. On the 5 minute, we get our change in state of delivery after a closure above the first candle in this downtrend, which would be right there. And we would get our entry on the retest. So a stop loss at the nearest swing low, and we're going to target a minimum of a 2R, which would be right above this high. Before you know it, the trade is complete for 2R.